Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be doing a product review on these GE washers and dryers. So I have two new models that they came out with. This is the GTW 465 and I have the GTW 500. So some key features, and I just want to kind of go through their product change and kind of what they've changed with their top load laundry. So first, space is 4.5 cubic feet, so this is king size capacity. Take a look at the interior. So this one, GE's bringing back the agitator. So a lot of people like the old school agitator style. They're kind of tired of the high efficiency style with no agitator, and that's really the big difference between both of these. This does not have the agitator. So if you want to go true high efficiency, this is true high efficiency, doesn't have the agitator. There's a lot of pros and cons to that. This is a little bit more aggressive on the clothes depending on line of work or if you get dirty. This is going to wash, in my opinion, a little bit better just having that agitator to twist and pull the clothes. If you have a little bit more delicates or dress clothes, this is probably going to be a better option for you. Both are going to do comforters and bedding very well with 4.5 cubic feet. Some key features that they have in both, though, the deep fill option is kind of a consumer report thing that came out after people didn't like how little water high efficiency used. It's still a high efficiency machine, but you can actually add the deep fill option. So you turn this deep fill option on, you can turn on your deep rinse. You got your second rinse options. You have up to 2 hours auto soak, which is really cool. A lot of different cycles to choose from. You got the bulky items, active wear, speed wash. A lot of cool features on both of these machines, and so far they're pretty affordable. We can get these out of box. We'll get these for like right around $4.99. Brand new in the box, about $6.50 if you get them during a promotion. Really strong machines though, and I highly recommend them. But yeah, that's my product review, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.